Hi guys, welcome to GK World. Today we are going to see 50 general knowledge questions for 2021. Which is the smallest ocean in the world? Answer: Arctic Ocean. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to USA in 1886? Answer: France. Dead Sea is located between which two countries? Answer: Jordan and Israel. In which ocean Bermuda Triangle is located? Answer: Atlantic Ocean. Which country is known as Playground of Europe? Answer: Switzerland. Which country is known as the Land of Rising Sun? Answer: Japan. Which country is known as the Land of Thunderbolts? Answer: Bhutan. Which continent has the most countries? Answer: Africa. In which country white elephant is found? Answer: Thailand. Total number of oceans in the world? Answer: 5. Which country is known as the Land of Thousand Lakes? Answer: Finland. Which plateau is known as the roof of the world? Answer: Pamir Plateau. The world's longest straight road without any corners is located in? Answer: Saudi Arabia. Which is the largest island in the world? Answer: Greenland. In which year Hong Kong became a part of China after British rule? Answer: 1997. Which is the world's highest altitude civilian airport? Answer: Daocheng Yading Airport, China. Which river is flowing through Grand Canyon in Arizona, USA? Answer: Colorado River. Which is the largest tropical rainforest in the world? Answer: Amazon rainforest. How many countries were participated as founding member of United Nations? Answer: 51. Which is the longest continental mountain range in the world? Answer: the Andes Mountain. Which country is also known as the land of tulips? Answer: Netherlands. Which country is known as the battleground of Europe? Answer: Belgium. Mount Etna, one of the most active volcanoes in the world, is located in? Answer: Italy. The historic city of Machu Picchu is located in which country? Answer: Peru. Which country has the world's largest prison population? Answer: USA. If you are liking my content, then please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Which is the biggest waterfall in Nigeria Falls? Answer: Horseshoe Falls. Which planet in our solar system takes the longest time to complete its revolution around the Sun? Answer: Neptune. Which river flows through the London City, England? Answer: Thames River. Only continent in the world without a desert is? Answer: Europe. Which is the capital of Spain? Answer: Madrid. Which country has the most number of lakes? Answer: Canada. Which country has the most number of time zones? Answer: France. Emu bird is found in which country? Answer: Australia. In which country the tallest waterfall of the world, Angel Falls, is located? Answer: Venezuela. Which river passed through the Paris city? Answer: Seine River. In which country the Yellowstone National Park is located? Answer: USA. Which is the capital city of Canada? Answer: Ottawa. Which two countries share the same longest land border? Answer: America and Canada. Which is the highest mountain in Japan? Answer: Mount Fuji. Which country has the largest Muslim population in the world? Answer: Indonesia. The world's largest coral reef system, Great Barrier Reef, is located at? Answer: Australia. Presidential Medal of Freedom is the highest civilian order of which country? Answer: USA. International Women's Day is celebrated on? Answer: 8th of March. Which island was previously known as Formosa? Answer: Taiwan. Where the headquarters of United States Department of Defense, Pentagon, is located? Answer: Virginia. World Environment Day is observed every year on? Answer: 5th of June. Which animal is in logo of WWF, World Wildlife Fund for Nature? Answer: Giant panda. Nobel Peace Prize is awarded in which city? Answer: Oslo, Norway. First American president to win a Nobel Prize was? Answer: Theodore Roosevelt. Which is the largest country by population in African continent? Answer: Nigeria. Thanks guys for watching the video. Have a good day.